By giving power to this engine, it doesn't seem to want to do anything at all. I mean, we do get voltage from the track, but nothing else. Why don't we just unscrew it and see what we can find that's causing the problem. And upon further inspection, we can see a soldering joint has broken off from one of the contacts. Well, if we bench test this by giving power directly to the brushes, we can see that the motor does run. Now why don't we repair the solder joint and get this train back together. Good. Now to lubricate the gears and moving parts. Alright, now to reattach the rear truck. Alright, now to reinstall the front wheels. Now we got everything all reassembled. Let's give her a test run. Would you look at that? It's a runner. Why don't we get the dummy reassembled too while we're at it, and to mark this restoration complete. Now that we've got her on the tracks, let's give her some power. It's a runner! Woohoo! And this officially concludes our model train restoration. Thank you for watching.